Cryotherapy Buyer's Guide. In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to break down 3 important points when it comes to buying an electric cryotherapy machine.
It's freaking freezing in here, Mr. Bigglesworth.
One of the biggest investments you're going to make in your wellness studio. Number 1, most important rule is if you live in America, buy an American machine. It's not a downplay on what other people are making overseas. Matter of fact, Mekotech from Germany started the whole thing. But it's a matter of being able to get in touch with the people that you bought it, your retailer, your manufacturer. We all like to act like the machines are perfect. Fact of the matter is everything breaks. Everything's going to need fixing at some point or tuning at some point. And you as a customer, you want to be able to get in touch with the manufacturer. It's very important. I find it to be the number one problem as a manufacturer myself. I always say I need to leave a trail of profitability, and that profitability can only happen if the machines are working right. Do my machines work right all the time? No, they don't. Nope, they break. I go on service calls and I fix them. Number 2, try it before you buy it. You want to get out there. You want to jump in the machine. You want to listen, if you're going to buy this machine and provide it to your community, isn't it about feeling something amazing and then sharing that with someone? Making sure that what you're going to try and sell your community that you actually like doing, you're impressed with its performance. It does the best job it can do for you. That way you feel more comfortable selling it to your community. Try it before you buy it. Matter of fact, the 4 main manufacturers in America, we all live in great cities. I live in Tampa for Trident. You got Cryobuilt out in Roseville, California, beautiful state. You got Electrica up in Portland, beautiful city. And last but not least, you have CryoFit down in San Diego. Those are great cities. Go visit, go try the machines. Obviously, electric cryotherapy has been around for 5 or 6 years now, American ones. You can go to almost any city and try a lot of them. I would always recommend trying more than one. Do your preemptive search when you talk to people on the phone, see what you like with the price, but then go try the machine. Number 3, don't be anyone's guinea pig. I feel like every morning I wake up, there's a new version of an electric cryotherapy machine out there. And listen, if I'm being honest with myself, when we first started, we weren't that good. We've gotten really good over the last 6 years, but I wouldn't be anybody else's guinea pig. Back in 2018, 19, we didn't have a choice. The only choice was Mekotech, right? And their machines were $160,000 for a single chamber. And they were on the other side of the world. But now things have changed with myself, Cryobuilt, Arctica, CryoFit. There's tons of American-built electric machines all around the country. You don't have to be a guinea pig anymore. What else is an attribute to not being a guinea pig? Their systems have been in service for a long time. Myself and Cryobuilt have definitely been the longest standing ones in America. But I can tell you, CryoFit and Arctica, those are good companies. Both the starters of those companies worked with me at one point, and they know what they're doing. They're making good stuff. So number 1, buy an American-based machine. Oh, why American? Well, let me give you a few more. Let me just pound this one in for you. What happens when it breaks and you want to call your retailer or your manufacturer? Oh, Bryan, they have retailing here in America. Okay. What about the parts? Are they American parts? Oh, no, they're not. Oh, you got to special order them. They got to be shipped in. Oh, what about the people working on that non-American machine? I'll tell you what, it's hard enough finding good technicians for the American machines. These are not easy systems. You don't get to these temperatures by accident. It takes a really good technician and a really good company that builds them to get to those temperatures. Trying it before you buy it, I can't. It's funny. You don't test drive a car before you buy it, but I guess in today's day and age, some people just buy their cars on the internet. That's weird to me. And then don't be a guinea pig. That one and the first one, they kind of go hand in hand, but because most of the newer machines are all coming from overseas. So there you have it. Electric Cryotherapy Buyer's Guide. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. I have decade of experience now. I want to start putting out in the wellness industry, more so the business side of it. I'm no Dave Asbury. I'm no Ben Greenfield, but I do have a lot of experience, and I've watched a lot of studios open and close, and I've watched the really successful ones, how they've flourished and the ideas that they've used. My next video will be choosing the modalities for your business, for your wellness. That'll be the next one. So keep an eye out for it. Be well.